So in the course of my workday, I'll often accumulate a lot of tabs. Actually, this is in fact quite conservative. I actually screwed up earlier, and I had a ton of tabs open. And I did this, but I had the microphone set up wrong, so none of the audio got recorded. So I actually had to open a bunch more tabs to sort of show the idea. But actually, I can have a lot more than this open. Working on the internet does that to you. So the first three tabs here are pinned tabs. It's the same as in Firefox. It's mostly the feature just keeps you from accidentally closing a tab that you want to keep persistently open. So let's say that I want to split up my tabs here between things that I'm working on and social media stuff on another side. So the social media stuff is there, but I'm not necessarily being constantly distracted by it. We know how that can be. So this first interface here is desk.com, and it's something that I use in my business for managing customer communications. So I'm going to keep that in this window, and I'm going to make a new window for the social media things. So the first thing here is I'm going to move Hootsuite over, and we'll create a new window, which will serve for social media. And I'll move Facebook over there to join Hootsuite. And here's the image you sent out with one of your tweets, and I'm going to put yfrog over there as well. And then I'm looking at some statistics for Bitly click-throughs, so that's going to go over here as well. I want to put that on the end. Now, hey, there's my hair. That went out in a tweet to promote an event that I was getting gussied up for. Now, I didn't stay that terrible color of yellow. That's just what it looked like on my head at the time. But since I'm using drop mark here for, I made another window. For that purpose, I'm going to drop it in on the social media side. This is a development site here, so I don't need to move that over. This is another drop mark window, but it's stuff that I was providing for the event to the event organizer. Hashable is something we work with in social media, or have done in the past, not so much now. LinkedIn, yeah, we can definitely get that over there. And Google Plus can go over there as well. It almost qualifies as social media. Apple support communities, I don't need that open right now. YouTube, definitely another social media type network. So now I've got two separate windows, and I can actually minimize this one away if I don't want to be distracted at a point in time. Yeah, I got all of my work and all the additional tabs that I open. If I open them in the wrong place, then I can just drag them back and forth. Now, this feature is in no way unique to Chrome. As far as I understand it, I'm pretty sure I'm right about this. Chrome did originate this, but Firefox obviously saw the value of it, and this is it's a Firefox window here. And so they also implemented the feature. And it works really just as well in Firefox as it does in Chrome. And I think that it is actually quite a handy thing for me. And if it's not something you've played around with, you may find it proves helpful to you too, or maybe not. But at least now you know what it is and can take a look into that and see if it is something you do want to use. Hope this is helpful, and I'll see you back on Twitter.